Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today a question I have taken from Russian Math Olympiad proved that n+1 over 2 power n is greater than equal to n factorial for all n belongs to natural number systems. And this question is based on number theory and it has basic concepts required. So how to proceed here? So for this, first we'll write that let the numbers be. That means I am writing all the numbers. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Then what is my n factorial? N factorial is product of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Now, only concept I'll apply here, that is arithmetic mean of the numbers is greater than equal to geometric means. So arithmetic mean of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n is nothing but their sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n whole divided by number of terms, that is n. This is arithmetic mean, and geometric mean equals to the product of all the numbers up to n and their nth root. Now it's simple. We know the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4 up to n arithmetic progression. The sum is equal to your n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is greater than equal to. Now see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. This is nothing but your n factorial to the power 1 by n. So n cancel. Now I am getting n plus 1 by 2 is greater than your n factorial power 1 by n. So what will be your n plus 1 by 2 whole power n, taking n power both the sides is greater than equal to n factorial. So hence proved. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done yet. Like, share and comment down in the comment section.